welcome back to my channel. Today's video features my model Santazia, and I'll leave her Instagram down below, so don't forget to give her a follow. Today's look consists of the ultimate brown smoky eye with hints of gold to bring out her eyes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm first going in and prepping the lips with chapstick, and then we're going to move on, and I'm going to take the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, and I'm going to apply that to the eye area, and then I'm going to go in with the moisturizer that also has SPF 50 in it, which is great for daytime use. Now to prep the face for later, I'm going in with the Smashbox Moisturizing Primer. I know that this eye look is going to be dramatic and there is potential for a lot of fallout, so I'm just sticking these eyeshadow guards on real quick just to protect her skin. After priming her lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and I am just going in and defining the crease and the outer V. Now I'm going in with the flat shader brush and the shade Desert Baked, and I'm applying that to the outer portion of the lid, and then I'm going in, as you can see, with the second shade, Shade Mirage, and I'm applying that to the inner portion of the lid where there's no shadow. I'm going in with the same brush but with the shade Casablanca, and I'm taking that and I'm patting that gently in the center where we have a little bit of a divide between those two shades because you always want everything blended. Now I went in with the shade Hennessy, and I'm making a faux liner with some shadow. Now to brighten up the crease, I'm going in with the shade Come and Get It, and I'm taking that on a fluffy brush. And then to make sure everything is seamless, I'm going in with this MAC Cosmetics blot powder in the shade Dark. Now to bring some definition back into the eyes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner in shade Black, and I'm just creating a thin line on the outer portion of the eyes. After giving the top lashes a quick coat of mascara, I'm going in with these Cara Beauty false eyelashes. After I let the glue dry, I like to go back in with the Sonia Kashuk eyelash applicator and press the natural lashes with the falsies, and then go back with mascara just to blend it all together. Now moving on to the face, I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I love this product and I think it looks super natural on everyone, but it's also buildable for a look like this. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector, and I'm placing that underneath the model's eyes and around the mouth just to cover up any darkness. Now I'm going in with the same sponge that I used for the foundation just to blend out the corrector. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the LA Girl Cosmetics HD Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. After blending out the concealer, I'm going in with the HD Pro Concealer but in a darker shade, in shade Toast. And I am contouring and warming up her face. Taking that beauty blender again and just blending everything out and making sure everything is seamless. To perfect this nose contour, I'm going back and forth with the Real Techniques sponge and then this small detail brush from Morphe. I'm adding the lighter concealer that we used earlier on the sides of her nose and in the center of her nose just to emphasize the contour and to really snatch the nose. To set underneath her eyes in her T-zone, I'm going in with the Ben Nye Luxury Powders in the shade Banana and Beige Suede. Now to set the rest of the face, I'm going back in with the MAC Cosmetics Blot Powder in the shade Dark. After I powder, I always like to go in with the setting spray, so today I chose the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Setting Spray. Now I'm going in with highlighter. I'm going in with the Mineralized Skin Finish in Cheeky Bronze and placing that on the high points of the face. Now to finish off the face, I'm going in with blush from the BH Cosmetics 10 Color Blush Palette. Now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and I am just mapping her brows out and following the natural shape. Now going in to set down the brows, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Eyebrow Gel. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going in with Come and Get It and Hennessy, and I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm smudging that on the lower lash line. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with the shade Moroccan Ice, and I'm highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone. Now going back in with the same mascara, I'm giving the bottom lashes a good coat of mascara, and then also putting a little bit more on the top lashes. Now I'm just going in and making a few last minute touches and adding a little bit more shimmer to the lids. And then I'm going in and taking micellar water, and I am taking off the makeup off her beauty mark and off her lips so we can start lining them. I'm going in with the NYX matte lip liners in Downtown Beauty and London, and I am now going in to line her natural lip line. I'm taking the NYX matte lip liners in shade Downtown Beauty and London. To finish off this look, I'm going in with the plumping lip gloss in the shade 24 Karat, and I'm applying that all over and then going back in with the lip liner just to make sure everything is blended. And lastly, I'm going over the gel eyeliner with some liquid eyeliner just to make sure that we cover up all the glue. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.